everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Elsie from Wenzhou Haihang Machinery Company. Our company is specialized in disposable cutlery packing machine. And this channel is to introduce company and products, as well as show the advantages and the features of our machines. Today, I will show you our star product. This is a cutlery packing machine for napkin, toothpick, knife, fork, and spoon. This machine is quite popular at home and abroad. Let's see some details. This is the napkin folder part. These are packing plates, which can fold napkin into the width according to customer needs, from 3 to 8 folds. And this part is embossing device, with which napkin will be thicker and more textured. This is the cutter of napkin. After cutting, napkin will fall on the tray and be conveyed forward. These are feeders for different products. As we can see, here is a vacuum chart, with which the product will be transferred from the guide rail to tray. And the tray here will carry our products and be conveyed towards the packing part. There is a wide range of choices of packing film, like PLA, OPP, PE, and printed paper film. Our machine can be operated by the touch screen here. Finally, after sealing, we will get our product. Our machine is suitable for most kind of wooden, spoon, wooden, plastic, and paper cutlery. According to different products, we can offer different packing solutions. Okay, let's call it a day. If you have any question, please comment. And please give me a thumbs up. This is Elsie. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.